We learned quite a bit of adjectives. Let's wrap it up. In Master Azerbaijani, we have weekly recap. Let's see what we learned. We learned yasho, green, eco-friendly verdant to finish the colors. We also had left black, dark, and gloom before unlucky too. We had yungul for light, mild, and easy. We had AŞIR, the opposite, heavy, difficult, and serious. We had UZUN for tall and lengthy. And we have the opposite of it, short, brief, concise. And we had something really great for buyuk. And we used all of these in dad joke uses, where I kept these words, the rest was in English and dad joke way. Let's see. My smoothie is so yasho, even the grass feels insecure. I call my to-do list yungul until it starts lifting me. Another way of to-do list. My to-do list is so big, it needs its own calendar. My weekend felt so uzun that Monday got lost looking for it. My barber went so gusa with the trim that my head finally has roommates. Now, which word means heavy? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about having the exact letter to type in, because I know your keyword may not have it. Just type in the closest one. Now, otherwise, come back tomorrow because we're starting a new week with new words. Make sure to come back to build consistency because consistency is what brings fluency. To support you in your fluency journey, I have Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to download and start with the first module that is completely free. It is the foundational module. Highly recommended to do it multiple times to nail down the foundations. I'm also giving away the vocabulary there from all the modules there, plus the future modules. If you prefer reading from the website, there's masterazerbaijani.com, where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025 on multiple topics, history, culture, plus language and grammar tips and tricks. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.